Hey, what's up everybody? How you doing? It's Colin with Big Shot Supplies. Today I want to show you this trailer that we just wrapped up. Got it all built for a customer. It's a really nice trailer setup. It's pretty basic. 8 gallon a minute pressure washer with a 12 volt soft wash system. So I'll flip the camera around and let you see it. So here's the back of it. We got an 8 gallon a minute Water Dragon 3500 psi pressure washer. We got this thing bypassed back to the 100 gallon slimline tank that we have back there. We got a double setup. One's for bleach, one's for water. You got the auxiliary fuel tank strapped down here. Comes in, ties into this pressure washer with an inline filter. And then we've got the vent mounted down there, the battery box. We've also hung up injector bypass in case the customer wants to use an injector. We got the on-off box here, which is pretty sweet. So you can open and close your injector. Close it after. We got two 18-inch Water Dragon stainless steel hose reels with 200 feet of 6,000 psi, 3/8 Water Dragon double wire pressure hose, and 100 feet of 3/4 inch blue serpentine 300 psi garden hose. Back there, it's tied directly into this tank here, the water tank, with a Hudson float valve. And then we got a secondary water inlet that runs down there. So the customer can fill up a second line. It's also got a Hudson float valve installed. We got this whip line installed. It leads down here right into the pressure washer. Got a gauge installed there. We got this 1-inch non-collapsible hose. One of them is tied directly into the pressure washer with an inline Y filter. It's tied in right there, 1 inch. And then the second line that comes through here runs through here, and then there's actually a cabinet here or a door so that you can drain your tank. Just open up that valve, you can drain your water tank or fill up a bucket with some water if you need, or wash your hands. Moving over to the side here, we got a proportioner set up in here. Proportioning system. We got all our switches. So we're able to turn on the soft wash pump through the top switch there, or we can fill up our soap tanks using the soap fill. Got a nice battery here mounted. We got our 3-way ball valve, our 3/4 inch. If we face it up, we go to the hose reel, turn it off to the side, we go to the bypass, which allows you to prime up your system. So we use this line right here, drop that into a bucket, open up this valve, and then turn on your soft wash pump, and then you're able to bypass it just by flicking this over here. Then once your proportioner is completely primed, by priming each line individually, you can go ahead and set your mix exactly where you want it for what you're doing, and then flip this over to reel. And now the fluid is going to go through here directly over to the hose reel, which is inside here. This hose reel is pretty cool because it can go out this door here, or you can actually open this door and have it go out the driver's side. So that's all tied in nice and neat. Runs across here directly into the proportioner system. This other pump right here is tied into this 3-way valve so that you can fill your soap from outside of the vehicle. You can switch if you're filling the house wash soap mix or if you're filling the roof wash soap mix. And we've already gone ahead and done that. And here it is. We got 2 7-gallon soap tanks. These soap tanks are awesome because you actually mount them from the bottom with those screws. They just thread right into the bottom of the tank, so there's no need for straps. And then we got all our lines tied in right here. So this is one of our soap fills. This is the other soap fill for the other tank. This is your soft wash supply for soap, and then your other one. So we've gone ahead and labeled these. Put a little bit of glue so the labels stay on for a long time. This is our soft wash section. We got a 3-way valve here, also labeled with water, and one for SH. So you can toggle back and forth depending on what you're doing. When you go to flush, you can switch it over to water. And when you're gonna apply the chemical, you would switch it over to SH and tie it into whatever type of soap that you're using. It all leads here to these tanks. We have drop down tubes going into the water. And then we have drop down tubes going into the chlorine. So there's just one for the chlorine and there's 2 for the water. So when you go to flush, you're able to use your proportioner and flush out your pump and system. So yeah, everything's nice and clean. We've got this really nice base that we mounted down here. This is really sturdy. We're able to put the hose rails on, the auxiliary tank, and there's definitely room for some more items. Everything's nice and secure, nice and clean. Lots of extra room for more equipment if needed. There's room up top for window cleaning equipment, whatever you like to mount on the walls. Really user friendly as this is all outside. So you can just adjust everything here, walk inside, grab your hose reel, and go to work. So if you're ever looking for a custom install on a trailer, truck, cube van, whatever you got, hit us up, give us a call. We'll do our best to help you out. 604-533-3353. Okay, thanks a lot, everybody, and have a great day.